Hi guys, my name is Shrikant Ridam. Today I'm going to explain you about cloud computing and benefits of cloud. So before I start, I made a small notes so it will be easy for us to refer. So what is cloud computing? It is a on-demand delivery of compute power. So what is compute power? So whatever the resources, applications, operating systems, hardware like network, cable, network card, memory you use on the machine, it will be available easily in cloud service platform via the internet. Okay, so whatever the resource you are going to use on your server, you have to pay only for that one. So it is called pricing model, pay as you go. Okay, and what are the benefits of cloud computing? We have many benefits: cost saving, energy, time consuming, flexibility, security. Okay, let's start with the first point, cost saving. It will help you to save electricity bill, employee salary, and removal of on premises server. So you don't have to use so much space on your on premises, and it will save you on routers, cables, AC. And second point, energy. When you have multiple servers running on your on premises, definitely it's going to cost you, right? On electricity, on space. So you're going to save power consumption. Time consuming. On in your organization, if you have multiple servers and if you want to install any application, and sometimes it may need a good server with high-end hardware, and you have to wait for the machine to build, right? But here on the cloud you don't have to wait for so much time, and you can install the application from one place. You can create many servers at a single time, and you can depending upon your requirement, if you want a database and web servers, you can create instantly. So that's the reason we may call it as instance. And if you need a specific hardware like good memory, good storage, and if you need high input output SSD, you can just select the options depending upon your requirement, and it is easily available in the cloud. And depending upon your requirement, you are going to pay for it. Flexibility. So if you want to upgrade your machines, downgrade your machines, you can do it instantly. You don't have to wait for some time. So it is called, you can do it instantly. That's the reason we have cloud computing here. Security. Comparing to the on-premises server, cloud is more secure. You can allow ports, you can block ports, you can create new security rules. And how many players do we have in cloud? In the top position we have AWS, Amazon AWS, and from Microsoft we have Azure, and from Google we have Google Cloud. In short term we can call it as GCP, and from Alibaba Cloud, Oracle, VMware, Fujitsu, and IBM. So what are the characteristics of cloud? It's on-demand self-service. If you have internet, you can access it anywhere from the world. Broad network access. You just need internet to access your instance. Scalability. When I say scalability, you can upgrade and downgrade your instance anytime. Resource pooling. For example, if you have a server and you have like more memory on that machine or more storage, you can share your resource on the other server. Measured service rate. Like if you need a detailed report, you can use measured services. It will show in detail how many people brought your things, traffic in website, and many more. And you can get a detailed report about your hardware as well, like how much CPU it is consuming, how much memory it is consuming, how much storage space left. So everything you can get in detail. So these are the benefits of the cloud computing. Let me explain about you the cloud certification. So in AWS certifications, we have two types. One is associate level and one is professional level. If you wanted to go in DevOps, there also we have associate and professional, and SysOps two levels, associate and professional. I have completed AWS Solution Architect professional level. You can give a try. Thank you for watching guys. Meet you in next class.